Hey guys, welcome to the Winning at Python course, which has been completely redesigned to take you from zero to hero in Python programming in a fun and interactive way. So why learn Python? Well, believe it or not, Python is one of the fastest growing programming languages in the world and is forecast to stay that way over a long period of time. Python is also a very valuable skill for careers such as data science, game development, or process automation, all of which are very high-paid jobs where you can work from home. So who is this course for? Well, first of all, this course is for people that are brand new to programming in general. If you've never written a line of code in your life before, then you'll feel right at home here. We'll take you from the very beginning of installing everything on your computer all the way until you become a programming master. This course is also for programmers that came from another programming language. So if you started off with JavaScript or Java or C++ or the others, and you're coming over to this course, then you'll feel right at home. We'll teach you how Python is different from those other courses and how you could use your existing skills to get a leg up on learning Python. This course is also for people who have some experience programming Python but want to improve their skills. We're going to go through a lot of details and we're going to help improve and level up your Python skills. So what's this course like? First of all, we'll help you set up Python and Jupyter notebooks on your computer, regardless of whether you're on a Windows or a Mac. We'll walk you through it step by step. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to teach you the basics of Python programming. We'll start off by teaching you about basic data types and structures, how to format your code properly, and then take you through basic logic and flows of Python programs. Then we're going to take you through some of the more advanced topics, such as how to use libraries and how to use Python for things such as data science, which are highly in-demand skills in today's workforce. This course also uses Udemy's interactive coding editor so that you can practice your code within your web browser. Our goal is for you to feel confident putting Python on your resume and for you to nail those programming interviews. This course includes a certificate of completion that you can put on your LinkedIn profile. This course also includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can take this course risk-free, and if you don't like it, you could even keep our course notes as a gift from us. So what are you waiting for? Click that buy button and let's get started.